Yo, Dr. X, let's talk about it. Who next? Jamaica, stay blessed. Smash Banks are represent for X, one of the baddest upcoming vlogger. Will bring the fire. Big up viewers and subscribers. You the best. Today I come to talk about the reaction from Vybz Kartel lawyer. Also, we're going to hear from the Jamaican media, interviews and more. Also, we hear from Mutabaruka, aka the Stepping Razor, the criticism we have about Vybz Kartel lawyer about gathering. Welcome to the show.
In the UK, attorneys representing Vybz Kartel and his co-accused say they left the Privy Council satisfied. They spoke with TVJ News after the judgment earlier today. Romardo Lyons tells us more.
God and time, and we always know that God and time.
And the quash, one that has evoked a sense of joy from those representing the appellants. For one, Buchanan, attorney for a DJ Vybz Kartel Palmer, is loving every minute.
I'm very happy about that. It was a just decision, it was the right decision, and it was what was expected.
And as expectations reach fever pitch among supporters, the question among many is, what does it mean for Mr. Palmer and his team? Standing outside the Privy Council, just minutes after the judgment, Mr. Buchanan gladly responded.
What it means is that in the same guidance that they had sorted, the judges have the discretion now to deal with the matter at the local level, which is in keeping with judicial independence, in keeping with our independence and what our constitution speaks about.
Julian Malin's KC, who was a part of the legal team for Sean Storm Campbell, says the Privy Council made a sound judgment.
Well, I think it was entirely the right decision. They're on remand now, not convicted persons. So we regard this as a very big win.
Mr. Palmer is not a convict. He does not have a conviction. Mr. Sean Campbell does not have a conviction. Mr. Andre St. John is not convicted on this matter. And Mr. Keras Jones, his conviction is quashed on this.
Meanwhile, it's the hope of attorney Linda Hudson that the Court of Appeal considers all the relevant factors. One that immediately comes to mind:
the time that the appellants have spent in custody and also media publicity, etc. But I'm sure, I feel comfortable that the Court of Appeal will come to the right decision on that.
And in the event there's a retrial, Ms. Hudson says there's one question at the center of it all.
And whether a fair trial is at all possible.
There were some supporters of Mr. Palmer who were unstoppable. The men said they had to be at the Privy Council on Thursday for the judgment.
I know, say, there's not the 100% to say my man guilty them way there, to how they try to portray him. You understand? I'm not saying he's without sin, but there's a lot more to this, and them not giving no justice.
When you look at the evidence and how the court deal with it in Jamaica, you can see it was an unsafe conviction, you know, and a lot of violation of rights. And here in the UK, they deal with your right.
I'm not out of Gaza in Israel, you know. I'm going to retrial tonight and tomorrow night and the next night and the next night. Because them world boss get off for the case. Assad, we never know you into God, ring a Obia Rasta. Eh? Big liar like you talk about God, ring a Obia and all them someday.
So people, Muta go at Buchanan, Vybz Kartel lawyer, like, yo, are we can a gathering and we can a over your table. Yo, me I tell you, Muta, I burn out that. Muta not agree with that at all. You must say, boy, the lawyer should never talk about that at all. That shouldn't come out of the lawyer mouth. Why? I don't know if the lawyer go respond still. I don't know if I'm going to respond, but Muta say what him say still. You see me? So, if I'm a Rasta, I guess, you know, he must say, boy, yo, you should not talk about that and thing and them way. So, we're going to take a listen some more Muta, what him have to say. But very interested conversation.
This will make no sense. Because where you going to get jury? Our jurors to sit in our case where everybody know about. with somebody in Jamaica. I don't know about the case there. Can these jurors be impartial? I don't think so. Because I don't go and say him guilty still, or totally say him not guilty at all. But it now going to be some evidence. Because we don't get different evidence from. Will it be communication? As far as me can look on it, them better prepare stadium. Them better prepare stadium. God trust me. Anybody will put on a show there in a stadium can relax. And Vybz Kartel, even though I'm not going to relax, but I'm going to want enough money and pinpoint it on all the time when I'm in a jail. I think him there for nearly 10 years. So can you imagine him multiply the 10 years by how much money he could have get if him did out? What a thing. What a thing. So we're going to see what happens in the next couple of months. See if he will come out totally free. Or they will go laga it and wait till see what will happen with the appeal. Can't go back to court. I know them court cases can take another year or two. So that is the big thing we are going on now. And our whole heap of people feel good. And our whole heap of people vex. But whether you feel good or vex, that now will change will take place right now. So I better just cool down your temper. Just cool down your temper. You see, don't raise up your blood pressure. Because it never change the difference. It never make no difference. I never like a thing though with lsat, Buchanan, the liar that represent, one of the liar them that represent Vybz Kartel. lsat, I never know you into God ring and hope your rasta. Eh? Big liar like you talk about God ring and hope you and all them someday. What kind of madness that? I tell the people them in a St. Thomas bus get ready, prepare themselves. Really lsat, a youth like you. And you talk about my parish, even though I'm not born there. But me understand we go on over the years. And we understand how people view it, but if a youth come and come and tell the people them in a St. Thomas but must prepare themselves and them guard ring and I hope them a put by the people them, you know.
Muta, behave yourself.
And they said there, I think you use your intelligence and your intellect and evidence and all them things there. If you go through where you go through, if you go to England, go sit down with the Supreme Court. I never know say around the corner how your business you approach upon the people them rasta. Behave yourself, man. Behave yourself, brethren. We never bring you up for that. I will say we come and know your father. Never bring you up for that rasta. A joke business. A joke business. Trust me. So the people them in the Gaza, I'm not out of Gaza in Israel, you know. I'm going to rejoice all tonight and tomorrow night and the next night and the next night.
It's a non-stop celebration,
As
Muta.
them world pass. And the kids, them quash it. Meaning say, them done with it. So the appeal court now have to go work it out and see what them can come out with. Serious thing, after nearly 10 years. 10 years in a prison with all them sickness there.
Close to 14 years, long time.
You know, say the sickness can get better in a 1 week. If you just hear say him get bail, that sickness said disappear. We can come forward. This is the stepping razor.
Big bomb buckler gunman, this now. I'm thinking, hey, one if you know, you know. Hold it down, my father. Hold it down. Yeah.
Big up viewers and subscribers. You the best.